Okay guys, we're back on the Honda.
It's been a minute. Got the carb all cleaned up. Planning on getting that puppy installed. And then after that, hopefully she'll start. I don't see why it wouldn't. Thinking about maybe take the bike back over to my brother-in-law's, or I should say over there the first time, and he can work on the wiring and lighting, get that fixed up. And then after that, probably do the battery, maybe try to do a final shine, put her for sale, and try to make a little money. So let's get in it, get this carb put back on. Hook back up. Gonna hook the choke back up. Okay, she's back in place, boys. Throttle cable ran up. Basically, it goes in here to that little twisty grip. This housing snaps around. Hopefully, we're ready to fire it up.